Good morning, guys. Yo, we are going to work now. Good morning, guys. Yeah, we're just going to the center to have a breakfast lunch because I just had a coffee this morning around 6 o'clock when I wake up, and yeah, I'm a little bit hungry. This is why we are going there. This bike is still broken, not working, the electric, but it is working like a normal push bikes, so it is okay. I can drive. The problem is later on when I'm going uphill, but yeah, it's manageable. It will just makes me a little tired somehow, but it's okay. I am so used of using this bike with electricity. Yeah. Yeah, there's no chance, there's no way that I use this as normal push bike, because it is very good, very amazing to use this with the electric. Yeah, it feels like you are just riding in a car. I mean, it feels like you are just sitting down. You're not exerting so much force, power, energy. But I don't want to bring this at work because, you know, coming from work, coming back to my apartment is mostly uphill. So I'm sure going to be really tired in the night when I get home. You know, a big bike like this without the electricity is good to us as a, it's good for exercise, good for cardio, good for workout, leg workout especially. A lot of people. Look, I don't know why there are many people today. I'm not sure if it is holiday today. Maybe yes, maybe no. Yesterday I'm sure, but today I don't know. But yeah, there are so many people. Awesome. I still can't decide where to eat. I was thinking of taking you know, a bacon and egg roll in that restaurant, or eat on the other side of the bay. I'm not sure. Yeah, we are going to eat in this restaurant, the one that is facing to the water. The last time I eat there, I ate fish and chips. They are a little costly in that restaurant, but it's okay, they have a nice view. Yeah, we're going to leave the bike there and we're going to eat here. And so it is outside. There's one guy fishing down there, and there are so much more people on that side. Yeah, you don't really see this place if you don't come here. You need to check in the Google map or ask the people if there's something more in here. Yo, finished. Yeah, I was just sitting there for around 1 hour. and it's nice. It's getting more and more people. Also this side, and then we're going to have a coffee somewhere there. Chasing all the little way. When you come around, you make right again. You're my perfect one. Here at the moment there are many people here because there is a park again. Every weekend or every holiday they have this kind of park in here, in the water park, and it's nice. And it's $15 every entrance, every entry entrance. Yeah, it is so good when there is so much people. Nice. Oh wow, there's one good motorcycle here. Oh, that motorcycle is really good. But you know, there's not so much people using motorcycle here. Mostly are cars. We will be just walking here, pulling my bike. You know, I really miss the Filipino shop here. They closed like more than a month ago. Yeah. Also miss cooking Filipino. You know, most of the Filipino ingredients are coming from that shop. Yeah, those groceries cost me $15.